Hi guys! In previous lesson we were building routing and cards and have also built app navbar. So today we will build and integrate material design to our Angular application. So first of all, let's commit our previous changes, and please don't forget to do it never. So when you finish it, some part of functionality or some logical part which is functional, let's commit it, and you will have more described road on your Git. So add card routing to admin and navbar, committing this. Yes. Okay. So first of all, to connect material design, we need to install some packages. First of all, we need to install npm install with save Angular material and Angular CDK. After, we need also to install with save for sure Angular animations. Sorry, npm for sure. Okay, and as we already have animations, we can come to app models and import browser animations model from Angular. I didn't remember, so sometimes you can not remember everything and you can just Google it. So to browser animations model, and okay, platforms animations. Cool. And okay, and let's move it to top after browser model. It's more logical. Okay, now to use any of components of material design, we need to add component. For example, if we would like to use material buttons, we need to import mat button model from Angular material, and only after we can use it. But I would like to recommend you to have separate module which will import all modules of material which you need, and after you just can import your mat module which contain all this. So we can go here and let's say new file and call it material module ts, and here we already will do all our imports. We will import this, and first of all let's put here a declaration. Okay, just to save our time, I'm taking it as a template, and here will be material model. Okay, and we need to import here ng model. Cool. Now we are importing matte button model, and also very important, we need to export it. Okay, and as we are exporting it here, when we will import material model, we will have these matte buttons there. Otherwise we will not have it, it will not be exported. So in a model we are coming here and import material model from material model. Okay, saving it. Cool. We have it defined. And also I would like to remove this part, we don't need it. And for sure I think we need to have here also from common model. Seems everything is good here. And before we are serving, let's close previous files on which we were working. We don't need them now. It's taking space. Next, we need to include Hammer.js. So doing npm install, we save Hammer.js. Hammer.js is for gesture support, as some components require this for full feature support. Okay, and next we should go to main.ts and do import Hammer.js. So next, to see result, let's just add some example button in app component after navbar. For example, button, and for material button we need to put matte button and example. Let's see result. Perfect. This is a matte button, but it's not fully working because we need to import color theme. And to do this we need to go to style CSS, and Angular Material Design by default have some predefined themes. But themes provides a set of predefined colors, and there is some, for example, indigo pink. And for this we need to just do Google import indigo pink, and we need this import indigo pink, but it's not pink, but we will replace the purple. Okay, indigo pink. Let's see. Cool. And now we can put it as primary color equal to primary. Let's see. Yeah, it's primary color. And it's very flat. Let's make it, raise it. So putting here, raise it, button. Perfect. And this is material design button. Okay, so in next tutorial we will build our application using material design. So we will put toolbar, we will put menus, and we'll structure our site with only material models. So have a nice day and see you soon. Bye.